Hi fellow YouTubers, I've been on the mountain 13 weeks today. It's Sunday, September 3, and I've put up with a lot of wind in those 13 weeks, but today I think it's the strongest the winds have ever been. Our forecast was the gale force winds up to 50 kilometres an hour, and the forecast was right. You can see how the wind's really buffeting the canvas and the frame, and you can feel the vibrations through the tray of the vehicle. Outside, there is a bit of weather around, but it's been missing us here. A little bit of rain, thunderstorms, and it looks like it's going to continue to miss us because that's looking to the northwest, and there's nothing there at all. Oh, but there's wind. I had to tie down the makeshift windbreak because it was just flapping around too much, and it ripped the tent pegs out of the ground anyhow. Anyhow, I'm just grabbing the teapot. Gonna make a pot of tea. Well, it's not a good day for man or beast out there. The trouble is, in here it's 24.6 degrees C, which is almost 77 Fahrenheit, and that's too warm for me. I do not like the heat. I had planned to pack up everything today that I didn't need for the night and for the morning, because I was going to leave tomorrow. But the quad bike spat the dummy again. And I don't really know what's going on with it. I think it needs workshop attention. I think it needs a real big overhaul and diagnostic analysis to begin with. I'm just not prepared to spend that sort of money. And in fact, I was only thinking that maybe I might shoot it and upload the event to YouTube. Maybe the video might go viral. Who knows? Well, I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now.